Let's talk about book value per share. So first, what is the book value per share? Well, so it represents the amount of equity that a common stockholder would have in the net assets of a corporation from just owning one share of stock. And there's a certain way that we can calculate the book value per share, and that's the equation that's on the screen now, where you take your total stockholders' equity, you subtract out the preferred stock equity, right? Because we're just worried about that common stockholder. And then we divide that by the number of common shares outstanding. So in this example problem, we're told that Pennington Corporation has issued both preferred and common stock, and their stockholders' equity is $4.5 million. Preferred stock has a balance of $950,000, and there are no preferred dividends in arrears. At the end of the year, Pennington Corporation had 500,000 shares of common stock outstanding. So we're given enough information there to be able to compute the book value per share of common stock. So we have all of our information there in the upper right. And we're just going to plug these numbers into our formula here. So the total stockholders' equity, that was $4.5 million. Preferred stock equity, that was the $950,000. And we had 500,000 shares of common stock outstanding. This equation is going to give us a dollar per share answer. So that simplifies down to 3,550,000 over 500,000 shares. And it comes out to give us a book value per share of $7.10.